to buy the cups or jugs or mugs which gives you the measurements, please do not buy the those things. Okay, just invest in some, just buy one weighing scale, because when you use the recipes in grams will give you the accurate result, but if you are using the cups will not give you the accurate result. So very these weighing scales you can buy any shops, okay, in grocery stores you can buy it, or otherwise Amazon or online store or baking shopping also is available. So just purchase any one weighing scale. Okay, so this is our very important tool which we are going to use. Then second, we will need spoon set. Okay, a spoon set you have to invest in, because when we are using baking powder, baking soda, for that we have to use these spoon set. Okay, this spoon set also you can get it from online store, otherwise or baking supply store also you can get it. Third thing which you will require it, your whisking spatula. Okay, this whisking definitely you would be having. So one whisking we are going to use it. We are not going to use any electric machine. Okay, because these eggless recipe doesn't require any electric machine. You will just need any whisking tool. So this we are going to use it. This one is our third. Next we will require the silicone spatula. Okay, just to scrape the batter from the bowl. We will require one silicone spatula. ठीक है, हमारे पास एक silicone spatula हमें चाहिए होगा, and then हमें चाहिए होगा यहाँ पर एक spoon का set और एक weighing scale. So these are the only tools which we require for the class. Okay. Next, what we need to bake in. So these are the tins which we are going to use in the class. Aluminum tin. Generally you must have seen the cake tins in a black metal also. So my suggestion will be, do not buy those black tins, because black tins absorbs more heat and will result you in a burn sponge. Okay, so instead of the black tins, just invest in a aluminum tin. We will bake in our tin, which will give you the proper bake from the top also, from the bottom also. So this comes in a different sizes. Right now in my hand I am having a 6-inch tin. Okay, so today we are going to bake our sponge in a 6-inch and a 5-inch. So the recipes which I have shared with you will give you around 250 to 270 gram of sponge, which I have mentioned with particular recipes as well. Okay, so now we will start, and before starting, I believe it's visible properly, right? Okay, so I will start from here only. So here I am having the sponge tin, and yes, so I will tell you about the baking equipment also. One, you can use the oven, and if you are not having the oven, simply you can use your stove also, which I am having right now here. So I will show you how you can bake your cake on this also. So right now I am having here. Okay, how to use this? This simply you just put it on your gas. Simply, ठीक है? जब आप गैस पर बेक करने वाले हैं, तवे को आप डायरेक्टली गैस पर रख दीजिए. गैस का जो फ्लेम रहेगा वो मीडियम रहेगा जब आप बेक करेंगे. अभी हमें यहाँ पर कैसे यूज करना है, how to use this system properly. Just see carefully. You have to choose a tawa which is a very heavy bottom. Okay, if you will see here, I am having a heavy bottom dosa tawa. Okay, so dosa tawa you have to put it on your gas or induction, wherever you want it. Okay, so here in the class I am going to use the induction. Okay, so the heavy bottom tawa you will take, we will preheat it. Okay, if you are using it on a gas, अगर आप गैस पर तवा रख रहे हैं तो हाई फ्लेम पर उसे ऑलमोस्ट 2 या 3 मिनट्स के लिए आपको प्रीहीट करना है. वो उतनी देर में काफ़ी गर्म हो जाएगा गैस पर. ठीक है, तो on high flame you will preheat it for 2 to 3 minutes on a high flame. Then you will require this kind of a stand. ठीक है, आपको इस तरीके का भी स्टैंड चाहिए होगा जिससे आप तवे के ऊपर रखेंगे. तो जो आपका केक टिन है वो आप ऐसे रखेंगे. Cake tin will not touch the tawa, otherwise your sponge will burn from the bottom. Okay, so there should be any gap. So you have to have any kind of a stand like this. Okay, then put it your cake tin, and then you require this kind of a pan or whatever you call it. We call it bhagona. Okay, so just upside down and close the tip. So whatever heat is inside will remain inside and will bake the sponge. Okay, when you are baking the sponge on the gas or induction, it takes little more time than our oven. Okay, this always keep in mind, it will take little more time. If suppose my sponge is going to bake in a oven 15 to 20 minutes, on a gas it will take around 5 to 10 minutes more. That you have to check it. Okay, so this process is clear. ठीक है, आपको ये प्रोसेस क्लियर होगा कि हमें गैस पर या इंडक्शन पर कैसे बेक करना है. ओके, एंड बिलीव मी, when you are baking on your gas stove or induction, wherever, it will give you a better sponge. So do not think you have to buy a oven only. ठीक है, आप ये मत सोचिए कि आपको ओवन ही खरीदना पड़ेगा बेकिंग के लिए. नो नीड. ओके, इफ यू हैव अ तवा stand, just go for it. Okay, and one more thing I will tell you, if you don't have this kind of a tin also, and when you are working on a tawa, you are having a steel bowl which is a bigger in size and a proper like a round shape, you can use that also. Okay, that also will work. Just properly grease it and dust it and then use it. Okay, clear this step? So whatever I am explaining, just keep writing also whether it is you are getting it or not properly. Okay, so it will be an interactive session.